Welcome to this tutorial on Shotcut Video Editor. In this video, we'll be exploring two essential editing techniques, merging videos and splitting videos. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, mastering these skills will help you to create seamless and professional-looking videos. So, let's dive in and get started with Shotcut. Now, let's open Shotcut. Click to launch it, and please be patient as it may take a few seconds to load the plugins. This is the Shotcut interface, with a clean and intuitive layout, featuring a timeline at the bottom and media panels on the left. To load the videos into Shotcut, navigate to the Open File option and click on it. Next, locate the folder that contains the videos you want to edit. For easier management and organization, it's essential to ensure that all the videos are stored in a single folder. This will save you time and effort when importing and arranging your media files. We have two videos in this folder that we want to merge. So, let's highlight both of them. Once you've selected them, click Open. Immediately, both videos will be loaded into the playlist, and one will start playing automatically. Just pause it for now. Our next step is to add these two videos to the timeline at the bottom, which will allow us to edit them seamlessly. Return to the first video that was playing. To add it to the timeline, click and hold on the video, then drag it to the timeline at the bottom without releasing. Once you reach the timeline, release to drop the video. Now, drag the scroll bar at the bottom of the video to the end of the first video. Next, navigate to the playlist, click and hold on the second video, and drag it to the timeline, just like we did with the first one. Make sure to position the second video at the end of the first one, without overwriting it. If there's a gap between the two videos, simply click and hold on the second video, then drag it to close the gap and release. Now, let's use the scroll bar again to view the total length of these two merged videos by dragging it to the right. To play the video from a specific point, use the vertical white bar by dragging it to the desired location. Alternatively, you can also use the playback control on the displayed video at the top. Let's try playing the two merged videos. Go to the end of the first video and release the vertical white bar. Then, go to the video display and click the Play button.
Click on the table icon, and a dialog box will appear. Select My Table as headers, then click OK. Simply navigate to the Design tab on the taskbar. Click the drop-down for table styles.
Video splitting in Shotcut refers to the process of dividing a single video clip into two or more separate segments. This is useful when you want to remove unwanted parts of a video, create multiple scenes, or reorganize the content of your video. Shotcut allows you to split videos easily using the timeline. Now, let's say you want to split the end part of this first video segment. To do this, drag the playhead down to where you want the split to occur. Then, highlight the video, and a red borderline will display as a frame around that part. Make sure you know exactly where you want to split the video. Navigate to Split at Playhead, and click on it. Now that the end part is separated from the rest of the video, click on the split part, and the red frame will reappear. To remove this part, you can either press the Delete key on your keyboard or click the Backspace button. Let's play the video and see how the removed part will appear.
Navigate to the Insert tab, and directly below it, you'll find the table icon.
As you can see, the removed part will turn black. If you save the video in this state, the black part will remain.
Simply navigate to the
To fix this, go to the second part of the video, click on it, and drag it back to the end of the first part. Ensure there are no gaps between the two parts. Once they're joined, play the video to see the result. As you can see, it looks seamless.
Table icon. Simply navigate to
Now, let's try dragging the second video back slightly. If you look closely, you'll notice the black part is still visible. This highlights the importance of ensuring there are no gaps between the joined parts, unless you intentionally want to create a gap. Next, let's explore what happens when we overlap the two videos. Drag the second part on top of the first part. As you can see, a purple X will appear, indicating an overwrite. Let's play the video and see how it will behave if we save it in this state as our final edited video.
A bit longer than the first two methods. Simply navigate to the Insert tab on the taskbar, and directly below it, you'll click the drop-down for table styles, and you'll see various options.
When overwriting videos in Shotcut, two audio tracks play simultaneously, creating an unpleasant sound. Visual conflicts can also occur, such as overlapping images or inconsistent frame rates. This can compromise the overall quality of your edited video. Shotcut offers several advantages when merging and splitting videos. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate and use, even for beginners. Shotcut also supports a wide range of file formats, allowing you to work with various video and audio files effortlessly. Additionally, Shotcut's nonlinear editing approach gives you flexibility and precision when merging and splitting videos. This results in seamless transitions, high-quality visuals, and professional-looking outputs that enhance your overall video editing experience. Now, split the video in the middle by tracking where you want to split. In this case, let's split at a point where there's a pause in the conversation. To do this, place the playhead at the end of the section where you want the split to occur. Then, navigate to Split at Playhead, and repeat the steps we followed earlier to split and remove the unwanted part. As we previously observed, leaving a gap can result in a black section. To avoid this, always ensure that when you drag one section, you also adjust the subsequent section accordingly. This is particularly important when working with a video that requires multiple splits. Failing to do so can limit your options and compromise the overall quality of your video. This, in turn, can make your video less engaging and less likely to appeal to your audience. By taking the time to properly align your sections, you can create a seamless and polished final product. Let's see what happens if we simply split a section without making any further adjustments, and then play the video to observe how the content flows and if any noticeable transitions occur. Now, Shotcut is not limited to just merging and splitting video sections. If you navigate to the playlist section, you'll find options like filters, which allow you to edit videos using Shotcut's built-in tools. Next to filters, you'll find properties. However, let's move on to exporting our edited video. As you can see, there are numerous formats available. I usually opt for the YouTube format, so let's try that. Click on it, then click Export again. This window will appear. Let's find the folder where we stored our two videos that we were editing. It's a good practice to use a single folder for each specific task, which is why I have multiple folders for different tutorials. Now, let's take a look at the file types available. Click the drop-down menu, and you'll see options like MP4 and others. Let's stick with MP4. Once you've made your selection, click Save. Automatically, the Jobs section at the top right corner will show that our final video is being saved. I've noticed that longer videos take significantly longer to save, whereas shorter videos save quickly. But patience is key. Shotcut is doing its thing. Once the saving process is complete, our video will be automatically saved in our working folder. Just navigate to the folder, and you'll see that our video has been saved in MP4 format. To play it, simply double-click on the file, and it will open.
Hi, welcome. Without wasting time, let's explore the 3 easiest ways to create Excel tables. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. The first method to create a table in Excel is quite simple. Start by highlighting the entire range.
To save our project in Shotcut, let's go back and click the Close button. A prompt will appear asking if you want to save the project. If you select Yes, another window will display, requiring you to enter a file name. Enter the desired name. Since we already have a designated folder, let's navigate to it. When you find the folder, open it. Although it appears empty, it's not. The file type we want to save isn't currently visible, but if we change the file type, we'll see other files we've saved inside. Once you've selected the correct folder, click Save. To open your saved Shotcut project, navigate to the folder where you saved it. Then, simply double-click on the project file, which should display the Shotcut icon. The project will load, and the plugins will be reinitialized. Once opened, your project will appear exactly as you left it the last time you saved it, and you can resume editing if needed. That's it for this tutorial. Shotcut is an amazing free video editing software that offers a range of features without any watermarks. You can edit and save long videos, and even preserve their high quality. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, Shotcut is definitely worth checking out. If you're interested in downloading Shotcut, I've included a link to their website in the video description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your support.